Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A94 5G, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the secret code, as it is the fastest way to check those numbers. Then let's simply open the keypad, the dialer, and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers, especially because by using the secret code we are not provided with the serial number, and this second way will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and here we have to enter the model, or maybe not, the status, sorry. So as you can see in the status, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and right here we've got the serial number, which were absent whilst using the secret code. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your OPPO A94. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.